Most complex numbers are not just with i's. It's like 3 plus 2i. They're called complex numbers because they have a real part and an imaginary part. The real part is the part with no I. The imaginary part is the part with the I. So if it asks you what's the real part of this number, it would be 3. If it asks you what the imaginary part is, it would be 2i. You also cannot graph these on the coordinate system as we normally would. It's graphed on a special coordinate system where the y-axis is now the I-axis and the x-axis is the real axis. So the easy way to remember it is y goes with I. Okay, and the way you would graph this is you would go out to 3 on the real part and up to 2 on the imaginary part, and that would be where the point is graphed.
It's really confusing.
Why?
You can't, how can you graph an imaginary number?
You're graphing it it's on a whole different graph. So in the world of math, there are many different types of graphs. Okay, there's the Cartesian coordinate system. That's the one that we use most day to day. Then there's this system, which is a complex number system. When you guys see graphs that back to the Cartesian coordinate system. So with the x and the y, let's say you had a graph like this. If it doesn't touch and it goes up and down like this, it's telling you that there's probably something imaginary going on, because it's not touching the x-axis anywhere until it gets through the up and down part. So if it's going up and down but it doesn't cross the x-axis in between, there's probably an imaginary numbers involved. So that's just how it relates to the Cartesian coordinate system.